launch.
This is an introduction to the Kestrel model rocket from Apogee Components. It's based on a BT-60 size tube. It has this nice payload bay up here, so you can put payloads inside of it. It's got a plastic nose cone, and down here at the bottom it's got a drag reducing boat tail plus these nice swoopy curved fins. It's designed around a 29mm motor, so this rocket is designed to go really high. You could easily go supersonic with a high thrust G motor. You don't have to use 29mm. It does come with a 24mm engine mount adapter, so you can fly it with a C11 or D12. That goes inside, and then it has a threaded rod engine retainer on the back to hold that rocket motor in. It comes with a plastic parachute, and as I said, it's got a nice big payload bay at the front. So this is the Kestrel model rocket. You'll find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.